Well, we had a contractor, I'm not gonna mention any names, they're out of business anyways now, but they had come out, I was gonna put siding over these beautiful logs. And my wife never did want it to begin with. And so we give them the money up front actually, and well, 50%. And it ended up costing about 30 grand, and the IRS shut them down, so they weren't real honest to begin with. And that's why I was really reluctant in calling somebody else, but then along come Brad. And the first time I met him, I was pretty much at ease. I had a military hat on, and he's a military man. And I was thinking we was gonna have to sandblast the whole house, and he said, no, I think I can save you some money and look good, look great. He's got a good team. That's what impressed me about Brad to begin with, you know, his knowledge and even after we put this stuff on and when it started failing, why he did a lot of research to find out what the problem was. And when it started failing again, well, then that's when Brad went ahead and made it right. We're going on probably 3 or 4 or 5 weeks. I would say 4 weeks. And it appears that it's gonna work. Like I say, the stuff that I had on the house, it just wouldn't allow it to adhere to the logs. So he cleaned off the logs, and now it's working out great. Without question, the pencil log specialists, they're absolutely awesome. And probably not even so much logs, wooden home, wood siding or whatever. I'm sure they could take care of it.